Why don't you also thank God for the challenges? Yes, we always thank God for the wins, the blessings, the answered prayers. Pero yung challenges, yung struggles, bakit hindi ba natin yung pinapasalamatan? Because those moments, the hurts, the pain, the lack, actually these are very important things that will shape you. It will make you humble, grateful, strong, resilient, and dependent on Him. Because imagine if everything's easy, everything's given to you instantly, yung walang struggle, walang challenge, di ang boring nun. Then you'll forget who's the source of it all. Madali mo lang i-take for granted yung mga meron ka ngayon. Because what if that challenge, kapag na-overcome mo yon, may blessing na kapalit? Merong pagbubunga. So, if you're asking, bakit ako, Lord, sa dami-dami? Why not thank you, Lord, for this struggle, this pain, this hurt? Kasi may blessing din dyan. Di mo lang siya makikita ngayon.